Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix randomly play songs to Spotify. So as you can see in here, this is my Spotify account. So the songs are playing randomly because there's only one reason. Then that reason is this. So let's head over to a playlist that we have. So let's click this playlist right here. And as you can see in this playlist, you can see this little icon here just beside the play button, which is this green sort of two arrows. As you can see earlier, this color green, then that just means that this is active. So that button is actually the shuffle button, which means that if this is turned on, then maybe if we play this first song in here, then the next song will be totally random and not the second song. So if we want to turn it off, then just click this icon again to turn that off. Alternatively, you can also do that by clicking on this active song right here, and you can see the shuffle button here also. You just need to turn that off in order to turn it off. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.